Sundown Audio E-68CX Coaxial speakers deliver a clear, full-range sound that feels like a genuine upgrade over typical factory car speakers. The combination of a sturdy polypropylene mid-bass cone and titanium tweeter produces articulate vocals, detailed highs, and surprisingly strong low-end for this size class. Power handling around 90 watts continuous at 4 ohms means these speakers can take real volume without sounding strained or breaking up. Their design as direct replacements for common 6-inch by 8-inch factory locations with a shallow 3-inch mounting depth makes installation straightforward even for do-it-yourself owners. Thoughtful touches like perimeter venting and a rigid steel basket help keep the voice coils cool so the sound stays consistent during long, loud listening sessions. Included protective grills and overall solid construction give the system a finished, durable feel that should hold up well to daily use in a vehicle.